Hi, this is Marty Dougherty from the Dougherty Garden, and here's one of my unknown flowering plants, a very little small one. As you can tell, I'm saying off pink, but I'm not sure of the exact name. I'm guessing salmon or something like that, but I'll search it up, and I've been looking to try and find the exact name. But I got this from Ruth's tropical garden about a year ago. As you can see, it is very prolific. This is one of the larger ones, and I have 8 other little baby ones, and springtime coming, I know we'll have little shoots. As you can see, every one of these is a bloom on there, and once it blooms, a little seed will pop off. And I was able to capture a bunch of them, but a few of the other ones the birds got. So goal of this is just to find out the correct common name, a little scientific and common name, that's what I like to go by. I had taken this plant up, I had it in the sun up in front of the house, and funny, as I was picking it up, I took a look and there was an assassin bug on. Assassin bug is one of those bugs that just stay on a plant and just eat anything that comes along, so that's why they call it an assassin bug. But it flew off when I got by him, but I just wanted to show you this very pretty flower. They last just about a day, they used to bloom, and by the end of the afternoon they're gone. So I'm just saying, you can see this is like the spent blooms, the leaf that protects it, and here it is before it turns brownish. It's a little greenish color, but this little pretty flower just lasts about a day. And I'm all about Marty. That's me. Check me out. No hat today. And you have the wind in the background over here. We got a little storm that's going to be hitting us tomorrow, so we can have the winds for the last 3 days off the coast. It's going to be an interesting, it'll probably be a winter storm up north by the time it's all travels up the coast. But just checking this out, showing you our little unknown plant, and right now it's number 397, but we're looking to get a proper name to attach to it, so whether we give these out or sell them to whoever likes to live with summer flowers. Thank you for visiting us at the Dougherty Garden. We will open up with the Green Dougherty blog, and if you like us, please subscribe. This way we can stay alive on YouTube. Thank you. Take care. Bye.